Welcome. Settle in with your eyes open or closed and your spine loosely straight. Bring a sense of awareness to your body and posture. Whatever you notice, allow that. Don't judge it, resist it, or try forcefully to adapt it. Choose to let yourself be as you are. Accept what is as it is, and notice if that allowing releases any tension in your body. Notice the flow of your breath too. Don't try to breathe in a special way. Just follow each breath in with awareness. And follow each breath out. Notice how you don't need to control your breath. It comes and goes on its own. Recognize how easy it is to let go of one breath and be fully present with the next, not clinging to the one that's gone. See that when you gift your awareness and acceptance to your breath, it starts to change on its own, just as everything eventually does. Notice your mind state in this moment too. Is it busy or still, or neither? Consider how you respond to what you find in your mind. Are you clinging to an idea of how it should be when meditating? Choose to let go of that expectation. Allow your mind and accept it however it is, even if it's busy. Breathe in with awareness of that busyness. And breathe out to accept it as it is. See if that allowing releases any tension in your mind or if it starts to change on its own, just as everything eventually does. Now bring awareness to any situation in your life you're struggling to accept. Let instinct guide you. It could be a situation with work or family, an expectation for an outcome, or something you're hoping for or trying to control. Then notice your reaction to that situation. And notice if you instinctively categorize that reaction as good or bad. See if you can be in the space of acceptance pre-judgment, before categorization comes, before you judge your reaction or expectations. Simply choose to accept what is, however it is. Just as you did with your breath and mind, breathe in with awareness of this situation. Then breathe out with an acceptance of it. Softly allow it to be. Notice if that acceptance softens your reactions or expectations, or invites them to adapt on their own, just as everything eventually does. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up. It means softening your grip and letting go of what you feel should be, so you can let go of tension created by gripping. That softening will ripple out into what happens next and allow it to evolve infused with that softness. Be with that sense of acceptance now, softly allowing whatever is to be. We hope practicing acceptance helps you to find a moment of space.